Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a cicada. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. And now we'll make a valley fold along one of the diagonals. So start by bringing this corner down to the opposite corner. Line them up, hold it in place, and then crease. And now rotate the model, and then we'll be making a valley fold right here and right here. And so we'll do that by taking one of these corners, you'll bring it up to meet this top corner, line that up, and then crease. So this edge should now be vertical. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Bring the corner up, line it up in that same spot, and crease. And now we'll be bringing these flaps down, and it's going to be a valley fold about right here. It's going to start from this point. This is done to taste. There's not a reference point for this fold, but you'll bring it down about this much, so it's just slightly off center. Bring it down about right there and crease. And now do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure it starts from this point right here. And then just make sure it's symmetrical with the other fold we just made, so make sure it lines up right there in the middle and crease. And now we'll be bringing this top point down. This one again is done to taste, but we'll bring it down about this much and then crease. And now we'll be bringing the next point down. And again, this one's done to taste, but the valley fold will be about right here. Just bring it down, make sure it stays centered, and crease. And now turn the model over. We'll be making 2 valley folds. These are also done to taste. You'll want to bring it over about this much. It'll go past the center line. And it can be easier to do it as a mountain fold from the other side, which I'll show you that as well. If you're on this side, then you kind of know what the final model is going to look like. But if you hold it about right there and crease. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. You'll just want to make sure it's symmetrical. It can be difficult to do since there were no reference points. Bring it over about right there. Try to make it as symmetrical as possible. And crease. Just make sure all the creases are firm. And then you're done.